Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are going to talk about TVS Raider 125 2025 features. TVS Raider 125 2025 is here to redefine the way you experience two-wheeler mobility. Designed with cutting-edge technology and a bold, aggressive look, the Raider 125 is built for those who crave excitement in every ride. The sharp and aerodynamic design gives it a sporty appeal, making it stand out wherever you go. Its muscular fuel tank, stylish graphics, and signature LED lighting create an unmistakable presence on the road. The split-seat design ensures both comfort and style, making long rides effortless and enjoyable. Every detail of the Raider 125 is crafted to enhance your riding experience, from the ergonomically designed handlebar to the perfectly positioned footpegs. At the heart of the TVS Raider 125 lies a powerful 124.8cc air and oil-cooled engine that delivers best-in-class performance. With 11.4 bhp of power and 11.2 Nm of torque, the Raider 125 offers thrilling acceleration and a dynamic riding experience. The advanced fuel injection system ensures smooth power delivery and optimal fuel efficiency, giving you the perfect balance between power and economy. The 5-speed gearbox provides precise shifts, allowing you to harness the full potential of the engine while maintaining complete control. The Raider 125 is designed for those who love to ride with confidence, knowing that every twist of the throttle delivers an exhilarating response. Technology meets innovation with the advanced SmartXonnect system, offering a fully digital instrument cluster that keeps you connected at all times. The high-resolution display provides real-time information, including speed, fuel level, trip details, and navigation alerts. The voice-assisted features enhance convenience, allowing riders to access various functions without taking their hands off the handlebars. The Raider 125 also offers two ride modes, Eco and Power, so you can switch between maximum efficiency and peak performance depending on your riding needs. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the Raider 125 adapts to your style effortlessly. Comfort and safety go hand in hand with the Raider 125's advanced suspension system. The telescopic front forks and gas-charged monoshock rear suspension provide superior shock absorption, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough terrains. The low seat height and well-cushioned split seat offer unmatched comfort for both the rider and pillion, making long journeys enjoyable. The wide tubeless tires provide excellent grip and stability, enhancing control on every turn. With synchronized braking technology, every stop is precise and secure, giving you complete peace of mind on the road. The Raider 125 is engineered to deliver confidence-inspiring performance with a lightweight yet sturdy chassis that enhances maneuverability. Designed for the modern rider, the Raider 125 is packed with features that elevate the overall riding experience. The stylish LED headlamp with integrated DRLs enhances visibility, ensuring safety even in low-light conditions. The sculpted tank design, sporty exhaust, and premium build quality make the Raider 125 a true standout in its segment. The under-seat storage adds practicality, allowing you to carry essentials with ease. The keyless ignition system adds an extra layer of convenience, making your ride seamless and hassle-free. Every feature of the Raider 125 is meticulously designed to offer the perfect blend of functionality, performance, and aesthetics. With its unmatched combination of power, efficiency, and smart technology, the TVS Raider 125 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement. Whether you're a daily commuter or an enthusiast looking for excitement on the road, the Raider 125 delivers an experience like no other. The aggressive styling, dynamic performance, and futuristic features make it the ideal choice for the new generation of riders. As you hit the road, the Raider 125 ensures that every journey is filled with thrill, confidence, and pride. The TVS Raider 125 2025 isn't just a bike, it's a revolution in the 125cc segment. With its futuristic design and advanced technology, it sets new benchmarks for performance and comfort. The lightweight body ensures effortless handling, making city commutes smoother than ever. Whether you're navigating through traffic or taking on open roads, the Raider 125's agility and stability provide an unparalleled riding experience. The ride modes allow you to switch between power and efficiency, giving you full control over your ride. Every journey becomes a statement of style, confidence, and superior performance. TVS has engineered the Raider 125 to be a leader in its class, offering an unbeatable combination of speed, comfort, and technology. The responsive engine ensures that you're always ahead, while the smart Connect system keeps you connected on the go. The superior suspension system absorbs shocks effortlessly, ensuring that no road is too challenging. Safety features like synchronized braking technology and wide tubeless tires provide maximum grip and stability, making every ride safe and enjoyable. The Raider 125 is designed to cater to the needs of modern riders who demand the best in technology, comfort, and performance. With a design that commands attention and features that enhance every ride, the Raider 125 is more than just a means of transport, it's an extension of your personality. The stylish color options and premium finish ensure that you always ride in style. The under-seat storage and USB charging port add to the convenience, making it perfect for daily commutes and long rides alike. The Raider 125 is not just about performance, it's about redefining what a 125cc bike can offer. From its striking looks to its advanced features, it's built for riders who refuse to compromise. As the future of motorcycling, the TVS Raider 125 2025 brings a new era of two-wheeler innovation. Whether you're a seasoned rider or someone looking for their first motorcycle, the Raider 125 is built to impress. Its unmatched performance, smart features, and stylish design make it the perfect choice for riders who want the best. With TVS's legacy of engineering excellence, the Raider 125 continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in a 125cc bike. The road ahead is yours to conquer. Ride the future with the TVS Raider 125 2025. Please like and subscribe to my channel so you never miss any updates.